in someone with all your
Hi guys, welcome back, and today we are making some slime. The first thing you'll need is a bowl. I got a big one. A stirring utensil. Some glue. And finally some borax solution. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is put some glue in the bowl. I'm going to give that a little stir. We're going to put a little bit of the borax solution in, slowly but surely. Now stir again. It's starting to be stretchy. Now I'm going to slowly knead it, and soon enough you'll have your perfect slime. And that's how you make slime. Anyway, that's the end of the video. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.